Hello friends, welcome to the Technical Trends YouTube channel. My name is Dharma. In this video, firstly, we are going to see how did we do last week. From there, we will see Reliance, Nifty and Bank Nifty's levels for this week. So let us see quickly how did we perform last week. Due to the technical issues, last week's videos were released a couple of days later on, although they were recorded before itself. Due to this, I could not make a couple of days videos with predictions. Let's see 3 days performance very quickly. So guys, I have given Bank Nifty and Bajaj Finance on Monday the 20th of July. Bajaj Finance, I had given buy call at this level and for the target to this level. So you can see that it had performed very well. Let's see another buy call, which was Bank Nifty. I gave Bank Nifty to buy at this level on Monday 20th for these levels above. So it met, and after Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday there were no calls due to the technical issues, and on Thursday 23rd of July for these levels from 22,850 something to the levels of 23,000. And on this same day I have given HDFC also to buy at the level of 1875. Let's see, yeah, HDFC. So actually this HDFC we can see on Telegram itself. Let's see, yeah, Telegram on 23rd, yeah, I've given call on 22nd evening, that's for 23rd July. Bank Nifty, which went up to 23,000, and HDFC to buy at 1878 for the target of 1905. So that you can see here, Bank Nifty to 23,000 level, and here HDFC for 1905. Exactly, it went up to 1910. So you can see the targets. 18 what price I said, buy to 1878 to 19. So that's how my targets and stocks will be. Let's see another call which was for 24th July. Actually this call I have given on YouTube video itself to buy Bank Nifty and Page Industries, but what happened before night, Thursday night, due to the S&P 500's fluctuation, our Nifty was trading 90 points down in Singapore Stock Exchange. So at the early hours of Friday, I have given message to our members through the channel that not to buy at first hour, wait and watch, and how it goes depending on the situation, whether the gap down will continue more downside or it pulls back kind of thing. I have given message, and if trades which I have given in video, if they trade above the stop loss level, then you can take an entry, otherwise just ignore sort of message I have given. So, and also I mentioned that I will join during the market hours and inform you that what to do. So accordingly, you can see here I have joined during the market hours, and I have given HDFC to buy at 1830 for the targets of 1855. So you can see 1843 levels have reached immediately after few minutes, and Again HDFC also went up to 1852.50 during the day itself. So when market was trading below 120 levels, in the sense Nifty was trading below 120, but at that time I have given for to buy this HDFC for the targets of 1855. So it went up to close to the 1855. At the same time, Page Industries, if you see, it went to exactly target level in the first hour itself, and that's how our stocks will be, and its targets will be. So let's see how my predictions for Nifty and Bank Nifty levels worked the last week. So I had given Nifty levels for 11,030, 1140 and 1120, 225. So, and I mentioned trend looks upside only, so accordingly it went up to the 11 to 60 levels, I think 40 levels. So my predictions were 11 to 25, and Bank Nifty levels I had given 22,500, 22,730 and 23,000. So Bank Nifty, you can see 23,000 levels, and Nifty you can see 11,040 levels. See, that was my last week's predictions. So all met 100% successfully. So that's last week predictions. So now, before starting this week predictions, I would like to remind you one thing, that in previous video I have mentioned to subscribe to YouTube channel, at the same time to our free Telegram channel, because of this kind of last Friday's fluctuations, the predictions might get changed. So because of the overnight situation changes, you can see the updates on our Telegram channel. So let us see how this week Nifty, Bank Nifty and Reliance going to be. So this week I'm thinking that Nifty levels seems to be a bit tricky. Why? Because the Reliance has already peaked out, so it might bounce back, so that may give impact on our Nifty, even if it comes back 10%, so that will give impact on Nifty about 2-3%. So let's see how Reliance is going to perform in this week. And Nifty as expected went above 11,000, and it stood out above 11,000, and now it closed at 11,194 levels, and I'm hoping for that 11,000 will definitely touch downside, because that was so far stayed as a resistant level, so that will be tested anyways before going further up. Even if it has to go up, means it has to cross 11,240 levels. So before that, I am expecting that Nifty will be trading in between 11,000 and 11,240 levels. Let's see in more detailed view. If we see here, it is trading in between 11,240 and 11,100 level. Okay, so if at all, if it breaks this 11,100 level, we can expect breaks down further 11,100, we can expect to the levels of 11,030, where absolute support is there. Previously I told that 11,030, so that level again will becomes support, and again below which you can see that here 11,000, this level. So this level will act as a support, and again 11,900 will become another support. So in this week we can see downside 11,000 or 11,900 if 11,000 breaks, and upside, contrary upside, 11,240 if it breaks, it can go to the levels of 11,305 or even 11,410. I will type here the levels. These are the level to be watched in this week for Nifty. So let us see the Bank Nifty levels for this week. Bank Nifty, okay. Bank Nifty actually last week didn't do much better than Nifty. So if we see last week Friday in detail view, on Friday it took a gap down and it didn't come back, and it didn't cross the high of the day. Whereas Nifty, if we see that gap down level was here and it crossed yesterday's, Friday's high, went up, and Bank Nifty it didn't. So now the levels for this Bank Nifty, if downside, this 22,400 breaks, then we can expect further down to 22,160 levels. This area 160 level, and 22,900 levels. So friends, this is going to be absolute supports, second support, and upside it has to go beyond this 23,000 and 23,130 levels, then only we can see further upside. The levels will be like 23,450 and 23,700. I can type here. So these are the Bank Nifty levels for this week, and I would like to tell one thing: those who haven't watched yet our new launch videos, those are daily, weekly, monthly. In those videos we have given bonanza stocks. Those who haven't watched, please watch them. The links are given in the below description box, so please watch them and get benefited. That's all for now, friends. Thank you for watching. I hope that you will benefit from this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share to your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss out on the latest videos. At the same time, stay tuned with our free Telegram channel and with this YouTube channel. See you in our next video. Till then, bye.